The science of sound, exploring how we hear. The science of sound is all about how we hear things around us. Let's explore some cool facts about sound. Vibrating waves. Sound travels in waves, like ripples in water. When something makes a noise, it sends vibrations through the air to our ears. How we hear. Our ears are like special machines that catch sound waves. Inside our ears, tiny hairs and nerves turn these vibrations into signals that our brain understands as sound. Loud and soft. Sound can be loud or soft, depending on how big the vibrations are. A drum makes a loud sound because it vibrates a lot, while a whisper is soft because it vibrates less. Pitch perfect. Sound also has pitch, which is how high or low it sounds. A high-pitched sound, like a bird chirping, has fast vibrations, while a low-pitched sound, like a big drum, has slow vibrations. By understanding the science of sound, we can appreciate the music, voices, and noises all around us. So let's keep listening, learning, and exploring the fascinating world of sound.